Welcome back. And with the Fed primed to continue quantitative tightening this week on Wednesday, September 21st, here's how you can track this data using FMP and Google Sheets. So first, if you're not aware, this is the CME Group website, and they give probabilities for each FOMC meeting and if those rates are likely to increase or decrease. So for FMP, we have an economic indicator that we can pull in. Now, we can't use the Google Sheets add-on for FMP. We have to bring it in via delayedjson. And I'll show you how to do that next. So if we open a new sheet, we can start to build this data out. And so the first thing we'll need to do is bring in our delayedjson scripts. I have a video on that. I'll put that on this video and in the description. But you'll need to go into your extensions. You need to add our delayedjson.gs and then import JSON.gs. Once you have those, go back to our sheet, and then you can type this delayedjson to text into your function bar. And the variables we're going to use are H4, which is, in this case, nominal potential GDP. So we'll use H4 nominal potential GDP. We need a from date, which is F2, and then a to date, which is today, with our API key. Now, this won't work if you just use regular dates. If you just use an equals today, that isn't going to work because JSON won't recognize that through Google Sheets. So what you have to do is for our first date, we'll go equals to date, day, today. We'll skip all this and we'll close brackets. That gives us today's date. And then we'll do a date in the past, in this case, to date, day, today, minus 25,000 days from today. That gives us November 22nd, 1926. That date's irrelevant. We just want something very far in the past. I think the furthest that this data goes back is the 1940s. Yeah, so we got inflation data back to 1947. Great. So once we have those two, those are our dates. Next, we need to change them into text, and that's how JSON reads it. So here we'll go equals text. We'll call back to E1, change our format to year, month, and date. And this makes it readable, so the extension will work. We'll do that for both our dates. And again, we'll call back to both of those cells. In this case, H4, which is our nominal potential GDP or whatever variable we want to pull in, real GDP per capita, Fed funds rate, etc. And then we have a from date, a to date, API key. All right, that's all I got for today. I hope this was helpful. Should be an interesting week and look forward to it. All right, take care.